Hey guys, my name is Angela and welcome back to my channels. So, for those who are new, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Angela and I am freelance photographer, videographer for the past 2 years, and I also full-time hairdressers for about 7 years and a half now, based in Kota Kinabalu, East Malaysia. As you know that we are still under quarantine, and I just want to say that stay safe guys, and take care of yourself, take care of your family, and wash your hands, stay hydrated. Alright, so today I am going to do unboxing video for the first time because I just purchased this parcel from the Puff Studio. You can check out their page on Instagram or Facebook. They have this website that is selling this The Ordinary product, skincare product. So I saw a massive huge as viral on TikTok and Instagram that they've been using this ordinary product, and they said that the ordinary product is really good for acne problems and oily skin conditions like mine. So I would like to give it a try, and today I just received this parcel for 2 days now, and I haven't opened it yet, and I just want to open it with you guys. So we are going to see and give you a real first impressions of this product. Alright, so let's see. So I just want to say that this video are not sponsored by anyone or the Puff Studio itself. I just purchased these items with my own money, and I just want to open this product with you guys and give you a real review and first impressions of this product. Alright, let's do it. So I'm going to open it with you guys now. So I'm gonna open this. I'm so excited. Right. Okay. Oh, so cute. They give me the hand sanitizer. It's a sanitizer spray with 75% alcohol. It kills 99.99% of germs instantly. Oh, that is really good, guys. I received this for free. I didn't purchase this. Thank you so much. And oh, look at this. This is the logo of the Puff Studio itself. We believe in Puff Studio, beauty for all. That's so cool. Oh, okay. So this is my items. I'm so sorry. What is this? Oh, it's free mask. Oh yeah, I did notice that she said if you buy one item from her place, and you will receive one mask for free. So before I purchased these items, I did message her about my skincare conditions and my skincare routine. So she suggests me to use this product, which is the Axis toner, a daily purifying treatment toner. It's a BHA 0.5%, and it's basically at the this is the brand, the Axis Y. Oh, it's so she told me to use this dark spot correcting glow serum as well. to, because I did say about my uneven skin on my hair. As you can see, here is a little bit darker and here is a bit lighter, so she did mention about this. And this correcting glow serum, it helps correct the dark spots and brighten skin with plant squalene to lock in moisture for glowing skin all day. Right? Alright, let's see how it is. Oh, and these two items are the ordinary product that been viral, and I think I saw this at a few of places like Instagram, TikTok, and they have been using this and they said it's really good. We are going to open this ordinary alpha arbutin 2% plus HA serum. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it's cute, and it's tiny bottle is, I think it's glass, so it's really is fragile, guys. And it did mentions about this alpha arbutin 2% plus HA, a concentrated serum with 2% purified alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid. So this is the organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. Let's open this. Oh, it did not smell like rose, okay? I mean, because here are this rose hip seed oil, but for me this is not a rose smell. It's more like kind of, I don't know, is it like a tea or something like that? Yeah, I think it's like tea. And this one, oh, are we going to put this on my face? Well, the smell is not that bad, but for me it's a little bit strong because I used to use a normal product like Garnier or something like that, so I think I will get used to it. So I'm gonna open the toner. Ooh, this toner, this one, it smells so good. It smells like fresh fruits or something like that. Yeah, this one, I mean this product, I don't know, is it the same with the ordinary, but I don't think so, because here it's a Korean. Oh, made in Korea. This XSY is actually made in Korea, and they have like tea tree and Centella asiatica or something. Okay, so well, yes, I hope that it works for me. So the dark spot glowing serum is like this. It's a small thingy, and it's also made in Korea because it's the same brand with the toner. Oh, you know, this smell, it reminds me of the spa place. Like they used to use this like massage oil, and it just smell like it though. Okay, well, I'm gonna try it in a few days, so I will going to try on myself and wait for another few weeks, like maybe after 4 weeks or another 2 weeks. I will do another review after use this product. So well, yeah, if you guys want to know about the price, I will put on my videos, and I will put the Puff Studio website on my um, YouTube descriptions. Right guys, so that's it for today. I will put descriptions on my YouTube descriptions below. I will put some link for these items that I purchased from the Puff Studio, so that you can purchase yourself. And for the pricings, actually I will impressed for this product. So my first impression is really good, it's highly recommended, but we will see after 2 weeks or 4 weeks that if it's even good for my face. So stay tuned for another video, and don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. Stay safe, stay tuned, and stay awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you also follow my Instagram. Bye.